In this video, we will see how we can load a file inside Remix Ethereum ID from IPFS storage. So this is IPFS storage, nft.storage. Here I have uploaded a file. This file is a smart contract. So how we can load it inside Remix ID? Go to action, copy IPFS URL, click on IPFS, and paste your URL. URL should start from IPFS ://. Now let's just import it. Here it is. It's imported it successfully. We can just rename it to whatever we want to name it. We can name it 1.swed. So that's how we can just import any file from IPFS storage.